Hello, welcome back. So today we're going to continue our series of obstacle courses or things we want to add in an obstacle course. Today it's all about teleporters. The way the teleporters work is we have a block over here. If I touch this block, it's going to run a code that teleports me to this block. The most important thing about teleport codes is that we need to rename this part over here as part 2, or however your script is spelled out, but in this case my script is going to teleport us to part 2, so please rename the part to part 2. Renaming is easy, just have to right click on rename, and you can rename it to whatever you want. Once again, our script requires it to be part 2, and you'll see how it works in the script just a bit. Next we will click on the first part, and you don't have to rename this as anything. Just add a script in it, so click on script and it'll add a script. Over here we also built a Minecraft nether portal as sort of like a visual representation of the teleporter. You could replace this over here, or you could put this inside of this block, however you want to do it, as long as you have done the script already. So let's take a look at the script. Over here is the script. Again, the way it works is if I touch the block, so whenever I touch the block, if it's a humanoid, meaning a person or a player, what is it going to do? It's going to teleport my C frame, which is also known as my coordinate frame or my position. It's going to teleport the person's position to part 2's position, right? So we have to know what part 2 is. Once again, part 2 is the name of the other part, which is over here. As you can see, this is part 2. It's going to teleport me to part 2's position. So to recap, all we need to do is create two parts. One will be the starting location. The second, renamed as part 2, will be the teleporting location. And inside the first part, we're going to put a script in that's going to teleport me from this position to that position. Let's try it all out. So let's click on play here, and we can see if the teleport works. Okay, so we're in the game. Let's just do our simple obstacle course. Get over to that place. Oops, that is not the correct block, because it's this one. We're going to touch on this teleporter, and it's going to teleport us to the correct position. And that's it. So once again, if you want to change some of your design, let's say you want to create a nether portal and put this inside of it, just put the script inside of the nether portal, one of the parts, mainly the part that's going to be touching the person to teleport us to the place. And that's it. Thank you very much.